This place is so nice.
This is supposed to be one of the best French places in town.
I did not realize that you were so cultured.
You're sweet. My French is pretty good, so I can order for both of us.
Oh, well.
Bonjour. Welcome to Chez de la Montre Bendre. I am your waiter for this evening. My name is Jean-Luc de la Pierre-Renault, but you may call me Jean.
Bonjour, Jean.
Oh, look at you.
If you have any questions about anything at all, I'm more than happy to assist you.
Jean, I got it. Merci beaucoup.
Très bien. Well, our first special tonight is our poisson du jour. It's a loup de mer bleu en verson, served with a plumeur verte de cochon de Plemont. That is served on a bed of gendarme de Filice au pain, and also served with luminette rouge and soufflé petit de fierte du pont grenier.
Yum.
Our soup today is a bourlard mousson with just a dash of Châteaubardre and served with melted pissenton Châteaubardre fleur.
Soup.
Yeah.
Our other seafood today, we have a very nice flintampon grand de plomb sauvage from the Goutran Mousson Valley in Vézentin. It is served with the side of colombon fontaine de la matin, du garde, Formière, Coulon sauce.
Man, it's just... I'm a little bit overwhelmed.
Yes. Oh, God, I'm so glad you said that. I was about to say the same
Okay,
thing.
so you would recommend getting the flanc-tampon grand dent de plomb sévère with the, is the pilorité de pizza roulant and a heavy fondant sauce?
Oh, no, it's more like a cochon de grand de venche sauce.
What do you think? I'm gonna defer to him on this one because he knows this stuff way better than I do.
Monsieur?
What? Yeah, we'll have the sonde. The. We'll try the fleur. The florence. It's been nice knowing you. Have a lovely dinner.